If your plans have changed but you've already passed the deadline for a full refund, you can still recover a portion of your payout by acting quickly. In this video, I will show you how to get a partial refund on Airbnb by understanding the timing of your cancellation. To begin, log into your Airbnb account. Click on your profile icon and select Trips to find your reservation. When you click into your trip, the system will show you exactly where you stand regarding the host's cancellation policy. The reason you might be seeing a partial refund instead of a full one is all about time you are in. Most hosts have a specific date for a free cancellation. If you have passed that certain date or duration time mentioned in the policy, you have entered the partial refund session. For example, if you are within 7 days of check-in on a strict policy, the system will automatically calculate a 50% refund instead of 100. Once you confirm the cancellation, the partial amount is automatically processed based on those timing rules. That's how you request a refund on Airbnb.